Hi folks, Nick Ruiz here at Sherry Chrysler Dodge Jeep Ram and RVs in Piqua, Ohio. Today I'm showing you 2005 Dodge Dakota Laramie. Stock number 27337AT. These Dakotas are getting harder and harder to find. It's not in real bad shape. This thing's in great shape. It's got 133,000 miles on it. 4.7 V8 in it. Automatic. Gray in color. Fog lamps, painted aluminum wheels. Tires look to be probably about a third tread. These are 16-inch rims and tires. This is a crew cab 4x4. The body's not all rusted up. It's pretty good shape. Black running boards. Power driver's seat. Now this is the vinyl slash leather, what have you, interior. CD player. There's your four-wheel drive knob. Cruise control. Power windows, locks, mirrors. Interior looks to be in really good shape as well as the outside. A little bit of wear right there. Driver's seat. A little bit of storage area. Rear defrost, bed liner, spray in. Got the tow package on it. That bed liner is actually a rhino liner. A little bit of rust here on this back bumper. Other than that, tailgate looks great. Body panels, quarters look great. We got heated mirrors, exterior mirrors. Heated seats. Infinity sound system. Again, 2005. Dodge Dakota Laramie, crew cab, 4x4, 133,000 miles, V8, great shape, here at Sherry Chrysler Dodge Jeep Ram and RVs in Piqua, Ohio. Come see me, Nick Ruiz.